What if you could write and test SQL queries instantly without installing any database or setting up complicated servers? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use RunSQL to write, test, and run SQL queries online in 2026 in the easiest way possible. RunSQL is a browser-based SQL playground designed for developers, students, and data analysts who want a simple way to experiment with databases, practice SQL, or test queries before using them in real projects. Instead of wasting time installing MySQL or PostgreSQL locally, you can do everything directly in your browser. To get started, you simply open RunSQL and create a new workspace. Inside this workspace, the first step is to define your database structure. And one of the most interesting things about RunSQL is that it uses DBML, a simple language that lets you describe tables and relationships without writing long SQL create statements. Once your schema is ready, you can add data into your tables either manually using an easy spreadsheet-like interface or by uploading a CSV file, which makes setting up test data much faster than traditional database tools. After your database is set up, you can start writing SQL queries in the built-in editor. When you run a query, RunSQL executes it instantly in a cloud-based sandbox and shows you the results in real time, which makes it perfect for learning SQL step-by-step, debugging complex queries, or testing logic before production use. Another powerful feature is sharing, because you can send your entire SQL workspace to someone else using a simple link, and they will see the same database, schema, and queries. This is extremely useful for teamwork, SQL interviews, and classroom learning, because everyone works in the same environment without setup issues. Based on user feedback and developer discussions online, many people like RunSQL because it removes the hassle of database setup and makes SQL practice much faster and cleaner. Users also appreciate the collaborative features and the fact that it works directly in the browser with no installation required. However, some feedback also mentions that since it is a relatively new platform compared to older SQL tools, it doesn't yet have the same level of long-term trust or large community support. A few users also prefer more advanced local database environments for complex production-like testing. Even with these limitations, most developers agree that it is very effective for learning and quick SQL experimentation. My honest opinion is that RunSQL is a great lightweight SQL playground if you want speed, simplicity, and collaboration without the overhead of database setup. It's not meant to replace full database systems, but it's perfect for practicing SQL, testing queries, and learning in a clean environment. If you are a student, developer, or data analyst, it's definitely worth trying in 2026. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which AI or SQL tool you want me to cover next.